Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks, and I'm going to show you how to put the deck lift into the Jaspara Kayaks. I have the Quest Solo here, but it's the same for all the Jaspara Kayaks. First thing you want to do is notice that this is not symmetrical. There's a flat side and a curved side. So you can line it up with the deck lift if you want to see where it's supposed to go. But simply speaking, the curved side points forwards and at the back it points backwards. So what we do is we take this underneath, we slot one corner in here. And now you won't be able to get the other corner in unless you bend away, okay? So we bend away, hook the other corner into the flap, tuck it in, pop it up. And now any water that lands on your deck here is going to shed off the kayak back into the water and not into your boat.